Hey guys, I'm Sam. Now, today, Arena Low Top Holiday arrived. You can see the shoes. So nice, the shoes. You can see it clearly. Look. Can you see it clearly? So good shoes. The material. Genuine leather material. Very soft. This is the shoes. Okay, let me show you detail around the shoes. The second, high the button. Very nice stitching, so clearly stitching. And the back heel, that is the back heel, Balenciaga. Shoes made pure genuine leather. That is the tail box. You can see the material. It uses the turbo material, so the shoes just authentic quality. The size, you can see the laces and the metal lock. You can see the metal lock color same as the leather material. Have extra laces. Can you inside right? Look, made in Spain. Can you see? Made in Spain. Only top shoes have this made skill. The sole also is genuine leather. I just show you the real shoes you will got. Very nice. This is the shoes. There's another one. Look. The bottom. Every shoes always the colored and one dust high material, top material. That's the bag. That is the original box. Size label. Everything same as authentic, right? That is the shoes shopping bag. You can see the shopping bag. So perfect, the shopping bag. Okay, that is the shoes I want to show with you. Very nice, right? The top version, really the top version. Okay, if you want it or interesting other shoes, welcome to contact me by my WhatsApp or Instagram. My WhatsApp and Instagram on the back screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.